Well, good morning. Today is Monday, the 27th of January. And look at that beautiful weather out there. So over there, that is the Bahamas. That is south towards Cuba, which I'm not going to, of course. Just heading out after being 4 or 5 days in Key Biscayne, right beside Miami, Florida. I was there for a few days to take a diving course, so I've got my scuba open water course done, certified, ready to go. I'm excited to do some diving while in the Bahamas, I hope. Anyways, right now I'm just heading a little further south here, about 20 miles south of Miami, in order to get a better angle to cross over to the Bahamas. So because of the Gulf Stream, that is about 3 knots, give or take. If you go straight across in a slow boat, it'll push you way north. So you've got to go south and come up on an angle with a slower boat. If you had a faster boat, it wouldn't make much difference. You just zip across and away you go. So it'll take me about 10 hours to get there. It's 55 nautical miles according to the chart that I've got set up. So that'll be the plan for Wednesday. So today I'll head down this way, take tomorrow to charge up. The sun forecast is pretty good, and we'll see how it goes from there. So right now, going along, I've got 52 volts. Let's see how much percentage of battery I've got here right now. I'm at 52% of battery, so I'll need to do a fair bit of charging because I'll use at least another 10% today just to get a little further down. So yeah, it's really fun. That scuba course from Divers Paradise in Key Biscayne, shout out to them. They did an excellent job doing the pool training, making sure I got all the coursework done. The online training takes about 10 hours to go through it all. A lot of videos to watch and a little exam and all kinds of stuff like that. So it was really good. And then because it was pretty rough out here in the ocean, they took me to a lake near Fort Lauderdale to do the certification dives out there. The big difference, of course, doing it in a lake is visibility is very short. 10 feet max is all you can see down there. But you just follow the instructor diver around. And I was the only person on the course, so I got a private course, which was pretty cool. So that was really good. So the other thing I had to do while I was there, because as I've mentioned in previous videos, my generators have been giving me some headache. This one here from Harbor Freight has died. It says overloaded circuit. A little rough out here. The Champion generator has failed again for the same reason, for the stator failed. So I went all in and I bought this great big Westinghouse. That thing is rated for about 10,000 watts, 10 kilowatts, which will be good. Boy, I feel like I'm drunk today. Anyway, so that thing puts out 240 volts, so I can plug in everything to charge on it at the same time, and it's still only about half loaded on its capacity. So I've tried it a couple times already. It doesn't care for, it is dual fuel. It doesn't care for propane too much. It runs an hour or so and then shuts off. I think because it's drawing so much propane, it just freezes up the regulator that's up on the tank, because when you touch it, it's frozen solid. So that could be the issue with that. It just draws too much. But anyways, it runs beautifully on gasoline. So hopefully that works out well, and because I'll need that for the crossing on Wednesday, that's for sure. Unless it gets really sunny and I've got 100%, which I should have by Wednesday, then I should be able to make it all the way across with little or no generator whatsoever. So that'll be neat. So heading over a little place down here called Caesar Creek. It's just south that way. So from there I'll head up to Bimini on an angle across the Gulf Stream. That's pretty exciting. Today out here on the outside, I went on the outside to get further south because I wanted to see if the sea state matched the forecast. And it does. It's almost exactly on. 2-3 foot waves, the odd 4. Wind coming out of the northeast, so it's bang on. So it's good to know that. So for Wednesday it's even calmer. So that's good to know that the forecast model is pretty accurate. Anyways, that's it for now. Take care, everybody, and we'll talk soon.